Big health news this morning. The FDA now considering revoking its approval of Avastin, a breast cancer drug that dozens of women credit for saving their lives. But many say the FDA's decision has nothing to do with safety or effectiveness and that it's all about cost. So what's really being debated? Our medical A team joins me now, Dr. Mark Siegel and Dr. Carolyn Cromwell. Good to see you both this morning.
Hi, Gretchen.
Hi. All right, so let me start with you, Dr. Siegel. Avastin, it proved to take on really deadly cancers, right? And you saw a pattern of success.
It's a targeted therapy, means it works in some people, not in others. It's been shown to be effective for colon cancer, kidney cancer, breast cancer to some extent. Now, there's a big study that shows that it doesn't prolong life in breast cancer, but I would like to look at it from the point of view of quality of care. How many people are feeling better on it? How many people see their tumors shrink? That needs to be studied. I view it as a very valuable arrow in the medical quiver. It's expensive, but it works in many cases.
So $100,000 for therapy for one course, right? Dr. Cromwell, could there be any sort of economic answer as to why the FDA might pull it now? Too expensive?
The FDA does not take money into account, and a lot of cancer drugs are unfortunately quite expensive. This has to do with the fact that the medication was fast-tracked, which is important. It means we're getting access faster to oncology medications that can help save lives. But it also means the burden comes later for us to show that it's really helping save lives. So it comes back to us in the medical community to do more research to understand who benefits from this and who doesn't, because there are side effects, blood clots, bleeding, that you can see in patients who get this.
All right. On a much lighter note, a new study came out confirming, maybe not, that beauty sleep is for real. So let's take a look at some of these pictures here. So the guy here, you see the normal night's sleep compared to the sleep deprivation. Do you see any beauty less on the picture on the right, Dr. Siegel?
Well, I think that Swedish people in general are pretty beautiful. But
well, thank you.
There you go. I happen to know you're a descendant.
But I get no sleep.
And you get no sleep.
But is this study for real? Come on.
No, it's not. Because, look, we already know that sleep is very good for you. Cuts down on diabetes, cuts down on heart disease, cuts down on stroke. It probably is better for your skin. But to take 23 people and have a subjective group of judges say these people look better than those, that's not science.
Waste of money for this study?
That's right, absolutely. I believe in beauty sleep. I don't get enough of it. But look at that study. In one picture, he's smiling, one he's not.
It's crazy, right? All right, third topic. This may be crazy as well. Could frigid temperatures actually lead to weight loss? I think it might have something to do with metabolism, right?
Yes, and it has something to do with brown fat, which we have on our thighs and on our back. When that gets ignited, you burn more calories. And it's probably true that you burn more calories, but it is a totally ridiculous idea, because if you get exposed to very cold temperatures, you may get sick. There's a study out of Britain that showed they put people in buckets of ice water, and they found they were more likely to get the cold.
Yeah,
I don't want to do this. Not healthy.
So people shouldn't go out and exercise in the nude in 30-degree weather.
Absolutely not. No excuse for being outside in the nude. And this might make people feel a little bit better about this cold weather, but, you know, we're back to plain old diet and exercise as usual.
All right. I think Dr. Siegel and myself spent too much time in the cold weather. Hope you feel better.
You too.
All right. Good to see both of you. It seems like a